Good evening, everybody. Today is October 2nd, 2012, Tuesday. My name is Chris, and you're watching the Ichimoku video. Please take a moment to pause your screen and read over the disclaimer. Alright, and just jumping into the market, let's take a look at Aussie. As we all know, the pair has been on decline following the cut in their interest rate. We take a look at the Aussie on the daily chart. We have price breaking below the Kumo. We also have a bearish Tenkan-Kijun cross. Alright, so the overall outlook on this pair remains bearish on a 4-hour chart. As you can see, we have the future cloud is bearish. We have some resistance at the 4-hour Kijun at 1.0362. Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar not really following suit with the Aussie. However, on the daily chart, we have a flat Kijun that should be providing some support at 0.8134. The future cloud is also bullish. If we turn our attention to the 4-hour chart, we have price supported by this rising trend line. We also have some resistance at this top at 0.8360. Alright, however, a break below this trend line and a break below the 4-hour cloud will actually ignite our bearish strategy. However, we are in this pair short. I do recall Michael taking this trade, so let's just take a look out, or let's be on the lookout for that close below the cloud and possibly a pullback towards this resistance level at 0.8268. Euro dollar. Euro dollar on the daily chart, we have price right now capped by the daily Tenkan at 1.2925. If euro continues to fall, we do have Kijun support at 1.2829. On a 4-hour chart, we have price right now outside of the cloud. All right, we do have support at the Kijun, at the 4-hour Kijun at 1.2885. We do have mixed signals because on a 4-hour chart, price is trading below the cloud, and we have the bearish cloud for the future. The cloud for the future is bearish, excuse me. However, on the daily chart, we have price still trading above the overall cloud, and the future cloud on the daily chart is bullish. So what we want to see first is a break and a close below the 4-hour cloud, and followed by a real close below the 4-hour Kijun. Alright, on a pound dollar, on a daily chart, right now we have price below the Tenkan. It's providing some resistance at 1.6208. We have support at the daily Kijun at 1.6039. On a 4-hour chart, we have some consolidation at the moment. We have resistance at the 4-hour Kijun, flat, indicating the consolidation that we are now seeing. All right, so 1.6189 is a resistance level for the pound dollar on a 4-hour chart. A break above this resistance level and a break above the cloud will allow us to have a bullish sentiment on the 4-hour time frame. Let's take that dollar CAD. Dollar CAD on a daily chart, we got a bullish Tenkan-Kijun cross to the upside. However, the price has been finding support at 0.9795. On a 4-hour chart, what we have right here is this wedge. As you can see, we're patiently waiting for price to break above the wedge and break above. Hopefully, we could get a test back at support before really taking off to the upside. All right, but we do have dollar CAD in our radar to trade. All we're waiting for is that break above, and maybe looking to go long dollar CAD in the near future. Let's take a look at Aussie Yen. Interesting Aussie Yen. We got a bearish Tenkan-Kijun cross below the cloud. Well, right inside the cloud, so it's a medium signal. On a 4-hour chart, we have price broke below this supporting trend line. If ASI continues to fall, look for an area of interest around the 79.20 area on a 4-hour chart. Resistance on a daily chart lies at 81.17, and also we have the future cloud is very we have a lot of Kumo twists indicating very little liquidity in the future, which basically means that price is really could just break through in and out of the cloud. So we really want to see impulsive reactions to the downside to confirm a more bearish momentum for the ASI yen. Euro yen. Right now we have Euro yen supported by the Kijun and Tenkan on a daily chart at 100.86. Tenkan looks really set to cross below the Kijun. However, if we do get a rise in the euro against the yen, we could look for that to just become flat. And I'm talking about the Tenkan and Kijun on a daily time frame. On a 4-hour chart, what I'm waiting for is price to close above the cloud. I do like this long, perhaps, if we do get this close above the cloud. However, I'm looking for a more impulsive candle. I'm not looking for a close from a consolidation market. If we do get that certainty into the market that bulls are really trying to push price to the upside, we'll be looking to go long euro yen in the near future, if indeed we do get that kind of reaction in the pair. Pound yen, similar thing, similar picture like euro yen. Right now we have some resistance at the Kijun at 126.27. Right now price is in a consolidation mode. Oops. On a 4-hour chart, we see price is really consolidating. We have some support at 125.83. Price is failing to break above the cloud, so let's keep in mind that it is finding some strong resistance on a 4-hour time frame. So if we do get that push above the cloud, we really might see euro yen take off. Let's just take a look at Kiwi yen. Kiwi yen right now on a daily chart, supported by the daily Tenkan at 64.36, followed by the daily Kijun, which is flat right now at 63.86. Alright, overall sentiment on Kiwi yen on a daily chart is bullish, as we do have current and future cloud are bullish. Alright, Kiwi yen on a 4-hour chart. Let me just move this trend line. Kiwi yen on a 4-hour chart right now, so finding some support at the Kijun. We do have a descending trend line, which is capping the pair. However, if we do get a close below this Kijun area and a close below the cloud, we might really see Kiwi start taking off, and it is perhaps lagging from its counterpart in the ASI. Alright, well, I'm just going over a few pairs. I will be doing another video sometime this week. If you have any questions about any pairs, please feel free to ask me in our trading room. Until then, thank you for watching my video, and good luck trading, everybody.